YouTube, what's going on? Kyle back again from ePoolSupply. Today we are going to do another conversation piece for you guys where we actually get to walk you through what's going to be new and great to the industry, where we actually get to open some stuff up to e-commerce. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So again, today we are going to talk to you guys about a new industry thing that's hitting the market. It's actually going to be hitting the market within the next few weeks. So depending on when you guys actually see this video, it may already be available for you. But one huge manufacturer known as Pentair, go ahead and put their logo up right here. They've actually released an awesome program that allows the consumer to purchase items that were typically classified as trade grade in the past. So if you guys don't know what trade grade means, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. It'll take you to our other video that actually walks you through what trade grade means and what that means to the industry. So that way you guys can understand that term before we move forward. But for those of you that do know, this e-commerce platform is huge for the general consumer. So without you guys actually having to go down to a physical retail store to go purchase items like pumps, heaters, automation, filters, they've actually opened up a program that will now allow a certain group of e-commerce sellers, which ePoolSupply happens to be one of them, to sell you guys those products directly online and have them shipped directly to your address. So it's huge for the consumer. And I definitely feel like moving forward in the industry, it gives a lot more power back into the homeowner's hands. Please understand that if you do not know what you are doing with these, we still highly suggest that you contact a pool professional. As long as they are able or willing to work with you, if you purchase these products online, it still gives you guys the opportunity to research them, learn about them, and understand them so that when they do come and they do the actual installation for you, because they are trained professionals, they have done tons of training with these manufacturers to understand these. So it is very crucial that you guys don't just try to go out and do this on your own, because it is not just an easy task to do. We still highly suggest that you contact your local professional in order to get that information and at least get that professional install done, because it'll still allow you to feel comfortable knowing that everything was done properly. You as a consumer, if you do it, you guys happen to break something happens in the time, you guys get zero warranty. When you guys actually have somebody come out and they warranty the work for you, they are willing to assist you if something happens later down the line. So as the general consumer, it's awesome that if you do know what you're doing, you do get to purchase these products straight to your door and use them. But as a pool professional, you definitely still need that wisdom that they provide in order to get all these items set up. So it's definitely a really good program. With this EC, it's now opening up to, as I said before, all kinds of products that weren't able to be sold or shipped online. If you've already found these products online or you've already purchased them in the past, you may already see that you got no warranty for it. So the manufacturer themselves will not back up if you do not purchase the correct item. So if you're out here purchasing an EC SKU, you're going to qualify for an EC warranty. If you're out here and you're purchasing a non-EC SKU online and it's being shipped to you, which there are plenty of people out there that do that, you get zero warranty through the manufacturer. They may be able to help you, but the manufacturer is not going to help you in that. So really, really huge for the industry. ePoolSupply is one of the select e-commerce websites that actually get to sell you guys these products. Unfortunately, right now, they are still mapped, which if you don't know what map means, it just means it's a minimum advertised price. So the items have to be sold at a certain price, which allows easy, steady competition across all of us across the nation. So for the time being, and with that policy in place, you'll see that they may see a bigger fluctuation in price. But as I said, the convenience of now being able to purchase it and get it shipped to you, especially for those of you that are in rural areas, it definitely opens you up to a variety of products that you may not had wanted to or been able to go get from a retail store. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a full list of all the EC products that are gonna hit the market. Like I said, they strive across all kinds of products, things that you were never able to physically purchase online before, to things that now are readily available on the market. So make sure you guys check all those products out. We'll throw a few pages of it in here so that way you guys can actually see some of them up front. It goes all the way across single speed motors, to the variable speeds, to heaters, to filters, to pumps, to automation, to lights. It opens up a huge amount of products to the industry and to the consumer. So make sure you guys check that all out. We'll have a full blog written for you guys on our website, so then that way you guys can see everything and kind of compare on what you're willing to go with or what you're looking for. So we'll have all that in the links in the description. Thanks for talking with me. I appreciate it. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. See you later.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.